Trying the Val $3 meal deal from Circle K. It comes with an intergalactic meat missile, hot Cheetos for only $1.79, and a Polar Pop. The meat is very questionable. It might be made out of squirrel meat. Yeah, that is mystery meat right there. Tastes like moose kinkles. Very girthy with a nice snap though. I got Diet Powerade just to make it healthy. Also, the cashier told me that if you go to the back of the store and do favors for him, he'll give you a free bag of chips. Weirdo. Let me know in the comments what I should try next.